Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the projecting to this PC feature is not available in your Windows machine. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step is to make sure you have wireless display is been currently installed on the computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to go ahead and click on system. Now on the right hand side, you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom and then choose the option which says optional features. Under optional features, you will have to go ahead and see if the wireless display is listed. In case if it is not listed, you will have to go ahead and install that. To install it, you will have to click on view features under add an optional feature and then search for wireless. You would see the option for wireless display listed. You can check the box, click on next and then click on add, and that should add wireless display on your computer. It will take about a minute or two depending on the speed of the computer. You will have to wait until the wireless display is been completely installed. Once the installation is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer and check if you are able to connect or if you are seeing the project to this PC option. Now, in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and enable projecting to this PC in the settings. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on system. On the system, on the right hand side, you will have to scroll down until you find projecting to this PC. Now here, you will have to make sure the first option has been set to available everywhere on the secure networks. And then you can keep these options as is. Every time the connection is requested, you can choose either first time or the second option. And in case if you want a pin for pairing, you can always choose either never or the first time only. Once this is done, you can also make sure the box which says this PC can be discovered for projection only when it is plugged into the power resource. You can choose any of these options. These options are optional. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and then check if you are able to connect to the project your PC. So in spite of trying all this step and if you're still facing a problem, now the next step what you could do is you can go ahead and verify the hardware compatibility of your computer in case if the projecting PC or wireless display is supported or not. To do this, in the search window, you may go ahead and type CMD and you would see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. When you get a prompt for user access control, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you're on this command prompt, you will have to run the command to check the compatibility. You can copy the command from the video description and paste it here. Once you have pasted the command and hit enter, you would see the result for the command. Now here it should say wireless display supported, yes, and you would see the options graphics driver yes or Wi-Fi driver yes. Now this gives you a confirmation that your hardware supports the wireless display. Now in case if it says it is not supported, you might want to go ahead and update your Wi-Fi adapter or GPU drivers. So you might want to go to your manufacturer website and update your drivers. Now one way to go ahead and update your network drivers is you can open the device manager. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on device manager. Once you're on the device manager, you will have to go ahead and expand the display driver, and under this you can choose your default display driver. So in case if you have more than one, you can do a right click and then click on update driver and then choose the option which says search automatically for the drivers, and you can repeat the same step in case if you have an external graphic card. Search automatically for the drivers until you see this option. Once this is done, you may go ahead and check if you are able to use the projecting to the PC option. Now in spite of trying all this step and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you could go ahead and run the hardware troubleshooter, which is inbuilt troubleshooter. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. On the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on system. Under system, you would see an option for troubleshoot. click on troubleshoot, and then choose the option which says other troubleshooter. Now in case if you don't see hardware and device troubleshooter under this list, you can close this window, open command prompt. You can do a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. When you get a prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you're on the command prompt window, you can copy the command from the video description and paste it here and hit enter, and this should open the hardware and device troubleshooter. Under this, you can choose the option which says apply repairs automatically. Click on next, follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen and wait until the hardware and devices troubleshooter has been completely executed. So what this will do is this will go ahead and try to repair the problem by itself in case if there are any hardware or devices issues. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then check if you're able to use the project to this PC off. So this should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.